G'day everyone and welcome back to the Prestige Detailing Studio. This is episode 2 of my how-to detailing series. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to detail your engine bay in under 10 minutes. It's a great little add-on for your customers. It takes no time at all and the finish is absolutely amazing. All right, now let's get started. First things first, going to need some gloves. Right, next thing you're going to need is a bucket with some detergent in it and some APC. Check. You're going to need a water source, either garden hose or a pressure washer. With a pressure washer, just be a bit, a bit smart with it. Don't hold it, don't go holding it this close to all the vital components and stuff like that. It's just not necessary. A good meter, half meter away is perfect. So first things first, just want to spray, rinse it down, rinse down. You just want to get all the excess sand over the top. Right. Now, when you do this, you want to make sure the engine is cool to the touch. Like, you don't want to be driving it then doing this and putting the chemicals on there, because it's not gonna, you're gonna get a really bad result. So just wait till the engine cools down, probably about an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours, probably good. 2 hours is good, and then you can get started. So just, just coat the area with APC just all over. Right. Now you need a brush. Definitely not this one. This one is a waste of time. It's not needed. You basically, if you use this on the engine bay, it's for the gram and it just takes too long. Here, you want to use something like this. You want to use something like this, nice and big and soft. And also, just your wheel brush just to get down into the hard to reach areas. So just dip it in the water here. Just give everything a good scrub over the top. Make sure you get all the piping and everything like that, like just everything, absolutely everything. You don't have to worry about, electronics too much these days. It's all pretty watertight. Just give it a good scrub. Good scrub, just everywhere you can kind of see. Try to get the back of the engine here. Right, now. Just want to get this just down in these little hard to reach areas. Like, don't push it, don't squish it down. If it doesn't want to go down there, don't worry about it. But just to give everything a good deep clean. If you've got a spot it'll fit down, just give it a bit of a there we go. With that, nice and easy reaching, perfect. Now you don't want to let that dry on the surface, so that's all done. You want to rinse this off as soon as you can. Yeah, just give it a good rinse, just make sure all the right, cool. Now if you want, like if you find this is a bit like water spotted up the top here, you can just grab the old brush here and just, give this a nice scrub. Only if you feel it's needed, but it always, every little detail helps. So You know, no pun intended on that one. So, yeah. Oh, there we go, look at that. Yep. Cool. Spray it down. Yeah, oh well. So you get all the crud over it, like. Now for my secret weapon, Koch Chemi Motorplast, mate. Oh, this thing is the best thing since sliced bread, I'll tell you that. Just, it's engine protected, so it protects all the electronics and everything in the engine bay, all the terminals, everything like that, and it just leaves an amazing finish. The best part about it is you just rinse the engine bay off and you just spray it on. Spray it absolutely everywhere. Just go nuts with it and then that's it. Right down into the terminal areas. Kind of smells like a banana. You know those banana lollies you get? It smells exactly like that. I don't think it'll taste exactly the same, but it definitely smells like it. So just make sure you get all the piping and just everything. Just go nuts with it. Just really liberal with it. It looks a bit weird when you first apply it, to be honest, but once you so you can see it's like a bit of a milky sort of substance, and this is all it is. Just close the lid and you're done. You're just going to let that dry, so it's best just to do it before you do the wash, and then we'll come back to it and I'll show you the finished result. Okay, so it's a few hours later. I've got the car in the garage now, so let's check out the results. Well, there you have it. Engine bay detail. It looks great in under 10 minutes. I love this Koch Chemi Motorplast. You just spray it everywhere. Gets in makes all the hoses look amazing. Protects all these electronic parts, and it lasts about 3 to 6 months. So it's an absolutely amazing product, and I absolutely love it. Hopefully you will too. If you got value out of this episode, guys, definitely hit that like button. If you want to see the next episode in the series, definitely hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss out on that. If you want to see how this garage has come together, click on the playlist right here. Also, check out this video for the previous installment in the series. Hope you have a good one, guys. Thanks for watching.